All right, let's get right into it. We're talking about taking that dream off-grid cabin from, just an empty shell to a fully powered-up sanctuary. And the craziest part? We're going to do it in less time than it takes to watch a movie. Seriously, this isn't some far-off dream anymore. It's a total game changer for DIY power. I mean, come on, who hasn't had that dream? That little retreat out in the middle of nowhere, totally self-sufficient, a place you built yourself. It's such a powerful vision, right? That idea of true freedom and independence. And that's usually where the dream hits a giant brick wall. The power. It just feels so complicated, maybe even dangerous. It's the one part of the whole build that makes you think, okay, maybe I need to call a professional for this. It's intimidating. So, today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to feast that fear head on. We're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly why that intimidation is basically a thing of the past. This slide really just nails the problem, doesn't it? Over on the left, you've got traditional solar, this messy web of different boxes, confusing wiring, and a bunch of technical jargon that sounds like another language. It's a huge turnoff. But on the right, well, that's what we actually want. Simple power, something we can get done in a weekend. The goal is total independence, and we want it to feel achievable. So, how do we bridge that gap? How do we get from that complex mess over to the simple dream? Well, the answer is actually in one single game-changing piece of tech. And here it is, the all-in-one solar system. The best way to think about it is like this. Some brilliant engineers already did all the hard parts for you. They took the inverter, which makes your battery power usable for regular appliances, and the charge controller, which manages the power from your solar panels, and they put it all together in one smart box. All that complicated wiring between the different pieces, it's already done. Inside, all the guesswork is just gone. And this is why it changes everything. That intimidation factor, poof, gone. Because you're not trying to figure out how a dozen different things talk to each other. The connections become ridiculously simple. We're talking almost as easy as plugging in a lamp. And that is what makes a build time of under an hour a real thing. It's the perfect solution built specifically for projects like tiny homes and cabins. Okay, enough talk, let's get to the good stuff. We've talked about it, now let's actually walk through the 1-hour build. This is the simple, step-by-step masterclass you've been waiting for. Yep, you are seeing that correctly. Less than 60 minutes. This takes the whole powering the cabin project off the huge, scary challenge list and puts it firmly on the get it done Saturday morning list. And get this, look at the tool list. You can forget all the specialized electrical gear. We are talking about a wrench, some wire strippers, and a screwdriver. I mean, that's it. You probably have all of this in a junk drawer right now. It's proof that this is designed for absolutely everyone, not just the experts. Okay, this right here is the heart of the whole operation. We're connecting our battery to the main unit. By the way, using a 48-volt battery is a really smart move. It's way more efficient. So first thing, just find your positive and negative terminals. They're clearly marked. Now, quick safety tip, you always want to connect the negative, the black cable first. So take the negative cable coming from your unit and bolt it onto the negative terminal of the battery. Then do the exact same thing with the positive, red cable. Give them both a little wiggle and make sure they're tight, and you're done. That's the main power connection. Seriously. Okay, so the power is in the unit. How do we get it into the cabin? Easy. The system has an AC output, which is just regular household power. You just run a standard wire from that output right into your cabin's breaker box. That's the final link in the chain that lets you flip a switch, plug in a light, and, finally make a decent cup of coffee. And with those few, super simple connections made, we get to the moment of truth. This is what all the planning, all the dreaming has been leading up to. I mean, this quote just says it all, doesn't it? This isn't just a fun idea, it's a fact. You can power an entire home with a few tools you already own and a couple of connections that are no harder than putting together IKEA furniture. So you take a deep breath, you walk over to that all-in-one unit, and you flip the main breaker. And for a split second, nothing happens. And then, click! The lights come on, the system gives a quiet little hum, everything just works. And let me tell you, that is a feeling you just can't buy. It's so much more than just having electricity. It's that deep satisfaction of knowing you did this. It's self-reliance. It's the quiet confidence that you have everything you need. This is what true independence feels like. So there it is. The biggest, scariest hurdle to building that off-grid dream, it's just been completely removed. That fear is gone, and in its place is a clear, simple, and fast path forward. So the only real question left is the one on your screen right now. Now that you know it's this simple, what are you going to build?